What's good, everybody? This is Rob back with another video. Yeah, I'm doing a speaker test for my channel. People have been liking it, they've been requesting it, so I'm here to give it to you. So first up, we have the Note 9 with a front-facing firing speaker and a bottom firing facing speaker, and we also have a iPhone XR with the same setup: front-facing speaker, bottom firing speaker. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the decibels, and I'm going to let you listen to the music, and you guys tell me down below which one sounded best. Now, first up, this is a non-scientific test. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is for you, the viewers, to make the decision on what speaker sounds the best to you. So I'm going to play somewhat of a slow song, like a jazz record where there's a lot of instrumentation in it. Listen to it. You tell me which one sounds better at half the volume, and at maximum volume I'm going to have it 30 seconds. So let's make sure that the note is on half. Get this set up in front, 3 fingers away so it doesn't distort for the decibel reading. 30 seconds, Apple Watch. Let's set it up and let's go. Now that was for 30 seconds. I'm going to check the measurement. Maximum decibel, it came in at 77.4 at 50% of its of the reading at half its level. Then we're going to move over to the iPhone 10. 3 fingers away. Make sure it's on half its volume. All right, let's check the measurements on that. I'm kind of pulling my mic on and off. So first, it came in at 50% at 73.3 decibel reading. So that's pretty good at 50% of its maximum volume. So I'm going to go ahead and pump it all the way up. Play the same song again, pick up from the point where I left off at for another 30 seconds. You guys let me know how it goes at its maximum volume. So that was it at its maximum volume, the Note 9. Check out the reading. Came in at an 83.6 decibel reading at this highest mark. I'm going to put the iPhone 10R up next, and we're going to make the comparison. I'd like to see what you say down in the comments below. Again, you guys let me know what it sounds like to you. Let's pump this all the way up. I mean to 100%. Make sure I got the 3 fingers away. And we're going to pick up right at its last point for another 30 seconds. All right, so let's check the readings out. At its maximum, 88.8 on the maximum for that particular sound, for that particular type of genre of music in jazz. I kind of picked that one. You know, you have a lot of great instrumentations, the pianos, everything sounds really good and everything. So I went with that type of music to help try to bring out the crispiness and maybe see how much of an immersive sound jazz will give you in terms of when it comes to listening. But again, everybody leave your comments down below. Which one you think sounded best? Was it the Note 9 or was it the iPhone 10? If you like this video, everybody, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like these type of videos, I'll catch everybody in the next video.